your favorite dog groomer charges according to your dog's weight. If your dog is 15 pounds and under, the groomer charges $35. If your dog is between 15 and 40 pounds, she charges $40. If your dog is over 40 pounds, she charges $40 plus an additional $2 for each pound. Write a piecewise function that describes what your dog groomer charges. Okay, so we're going to say C for charge of, and I'll put W for weight. All right, so the charge or the cost as a function of weight. We've got three different rules here. Okay, we've got if your dog is 15 pounds and under, it's $35. So in writing this function, okay, it's just $35. That's a fixed number. Okay, if W, the weight, is 15 pounds and under, so less than or equal to 15. If your dog is between 15 and 40 pounds, the charge is $40. So it's equal to 40 if W is between 15 and 40. And finally, the last one's the most complicated. If your dog is over 40 pounds, she charges $40 plus $2 per pound. So this is going to be 40 plus 2 times, and this is kind of exciting here. It's not just 2 times W, it's going to be $2 for each additional pound, right? And so we're going to do 2 times, and then it's W minus 40, because this number right here tells us how much beyond 40 does the dog weigh. So that times the 2 will give us the extra charge on top of the 40. And that's if W is greater than or equal to 40. That's a pretty exciting function there. Let's go ahead and graph the function. So we're going to, I'm not going to need negative numbers because the cost is certainly not going to be negative. And I've got these changes are at 15 and at 40. So let's go by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And I know that my cost, well, it starts at it's $35 initially. So let's go up to let's go by fives again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So from 0 up to 15, okay, my cost is going to be 35. So that's my cost right there. But right at 15, and of course, if it's exactly 15 pounds, it's going to be $35. But anything over it, we're going to jump up to 40. So here's 40. We're going to jump, and it's that all the way over to when our weight is 40. Okay, and right at 40, we've got that $40, but then it's an additional 2 pounds for every, $2 for every additional pound. And so now we're going to have a line that's going to go up, and it's going to have a slope of 2. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and, that has a slope of 2. Okay, so that's our function graphed. It's a pretty fun function. That's the function for the charge of this dog groomer. All right, and finally, what would the groomer charge if your dog weighs 60 pounds? So that's the cost for a weight of 60. Okay, looking at our function, that's right here. Our weight is greater than 40. So we're going to plug that in here. We've got the 40 plus 2 times 60 minus 40. Okay, so this is, and I'm going to go slowly here, 60 minus 40, that's 20. Okay, that indicates that's the 20 pounds over the 40 that we are. Okay, and 2 times that, $2 for every pound, that's an extra $40. Okay, and so all together, this is going to be an $80 charge for grooming this 60-pound dog.